Guys, I'm doing good. I'm come back with new topics. Today I show you how you can change your WordPress website password. This is the easy. You can skip this video if you know how can change. Otherwise, you can stay with me. This is the easy way. So if you want to change your password, you just go to settings. There are many options, but you go to like users, not like settings. Somebody say they're going to the settings, then blah blah blah. So I just show to you there is no option for settings change password. You just should go users. All right. They are showing just one user. If you have multiple user, then you can choose which one you want to change. If you are an administrator, all right. I am administrator, all right. So I just tap here, edit. If you scroll down, then here showing the new password. You see, if I click, then WordPress recommend this password. I can change like that. But if you want to use custom password, then you can type here. This is the weak password. I just type just WP P as the very weak password. So I have no problem because this is the local website and dummy purpose. So you can change according to WordPress recommend. Then you can choose like that. Then you just scroll down. Then you can just tap on update profile. All right. Then if you need any more thing change, then you can change like first name, last name. I can change anything. Also you can add email. This is the dummy email. So now I just change. Alright. So my password right now changed. Now I can log out. Then try again. Just WP username just WPP. Let me check. Yeah, it's done. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.